Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to download sound effects for CapCut. And here's a step guide to download and use sound effects in CapCut. First is to unlock your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi, then open the Google Play Store. And the search bar, type sound effects or sound effects for editing. Choose a reliable sound effects like Zap Splat, sound effects, or free sound. Tap install and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, open the sound effects by tapping open. Then hit continue. Enable permission. Hit OK. Then toggle on allow modifying system settings. Tap allow. Next, browser search for the specific sound effect you want. For example, a swoosh, pop, explosion, etc. Tap the download button next to the sound effect. Once you hit download, tap open, and then tap continue. Allow storage permission if prompted by tapping enable permission. Hit OK, then tap allow modifying system settings again. Make sure it is on, then tap allow. Tap on ringtones. Choose the sound that you prefer to. For example, is meeting. Then tap the options. Then the sound will be saved to your phone. Now, let's go to the CapCut app. Start a new project or open an existing video. And then tap Audio, Sounds, tap the folder, then tap Device to find the newly set ringtone. Select the sound effect file, tap the plus icon to add it to your timeline. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.